Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and access it. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this blue plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour. When you're ready, just repeat and tap on days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. Save your changes by tapping on OK. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on alarm sound. Pick one of those melodies. Add a new alarm sound by clicking on the one that you wish to set up and going back. But you can also just add new from here. Click at the top left corner, pick one of those sources, and select song from your smartphone. Go back and save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also hold it and delete it by clicking on this bin icon at the bottom and choosing delete in the pop-up. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and choose settings. Then adjust all of those settings however you wish to from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!